Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we've got one of my favorite Humble Bundles of the year. It is the Best of Synty Game Dev Assets number 2. This seemingly is an annual bundle. What you're seeing in front of you, this is one of the brand new assets in this bundle. It is the Polygon Ancient Empire pack. This is from Synty Studios. You can see their art style in action in this trailer. I've always been a big fan of Synty. If you're looking for some assets for prototyping your game or you like this art style, there's just a ton of packs out there that you can work with. So if art isn't your thing, this is a great way to outsource it. Now, the other thing you're seeing in front of you right now, this is the nightclub pack. So there are a lot of things in this bundle that you may have gotten from previous bundles. These are 2 that are considered sizzlers. There's 4 completely new to Humble things in this actual bundle that we will be checking out today. The cool thing about Synty here is you're getting both Unreal Engine and Unity versions, but also you're getting the source assets. So if you want to run them in the Godot game engine, Flax, Defold, any other game engine that supports OBJ or FBX, you can do so. So first, a quick overview of the bundle itself. It is organized into tiers. You buy a hardcover tier, you get all of the bundle assets below that. You decide how your money is allocated between Humble, the charity, the publisher, and if you so choose to do, and thank you so much if you do, to help support Gamefromscratch. So again, you see $1 tier here, you're getting 4 assets there. This Sizzler, for example, this Polygon Mini pack, so the Polygon Mini stuff is ultra low polygon stuff. So if you're making it for mobile games, low-end devices, etc., that's what they're aiming at there. That is a Sizzler. So that means it is brand new to this particular bundle. So you got the median tier here, and then the full thing. We'll come back and look at that in just a minute. First, we're going to do a little bit of hands-on, and we're going to show you these actual assets in action. So starting things off, here we are in Unreal Engine. This is the dive bar from the Nightclubs pack. You're going to notice there is a lot of bloom going on here, but here it is, Unreal Engine, here it is in the Unity game engine, and here it is in the Godot game engine. You're going to walk around into the dive bar like so, get an idea of what things look like. It's a very cool asset. This is very typical of their art style, and as you can see, you can get it running in a variety of game engines. You're going to have to tweak the lighting between them, but there gives you an idea. Anyways, this is the Godot version right now. So let's go over here to the Unity version. You're going to find the Godot and Unity version are quite similar for their lighting setup. A little bit more glare, a little bit more reflection and bloom going on here. And then when we get into the Unreal Engine version, you're going to see a lot of bloom. So that is the Unity version. And then let's get back over here to the Unreal Engine version. And there you see. So again, lots of light bloom going on. A bit more of a saturated color style. But that comes down to how each game engine is set up. The art assets are all identical other than the lighting that you see here. Everything you see is available. So in this particular case, it's done as meshes in Unity. So if you want to go ahead and grab something, you basically just grab it, drag it into the world like that. Same thing in the Unity world. They are brought in as prefabs. And in Godot, they are all brought in as static meshes. Now, the very cool thing with this pack is you're seeing just a small element. So here's the nightclub. Let's go here, check out the map. So that is the dive bar. Now let's go to the rooftop bar. So here is the rooftop bar. And we're not going to save that. Bring that in. And again, lots of bloom. But here you see rooftop bar environment like so. And again, we could do the same thing. Godot, I've already imported that in. So let's just go in here. We'll delete this node out. And we will bring this in as a linked scene, rooftop bar, and here you go. Same setting. So you can get it between game engines, no problem at all. Now, I'm not going to show you across engines anymore, just simply because it's a pain in the butt. But you get an idea. Again, the lighting looks different between all of them, somewhat massively different, because again, there's this gauzy blur on all of the Unreal Engine stuff that I don't fully understand why that's there. But yeah, so this is another one of the setups there. And then here, you even get a dance club environment with a light show and so on. So if you need any kind of a club environment, you're getting a huge variety of them in this particular pack. Now here we are in the other star of the show. This is the Ancient Empires pack and running in Unity at this point in time. And this is more of like an ancient Greece or ancient Rome kind of setup. Again, everything is completely modular, so you can, pull out just the particular pieces you need. You get an idea. So you got this temple environment here. Not particularly well lit, but there's an interior in there as well. So that is the Unity side of things. And then here we are in the Unreal game engine. Again, that really... I got to figure out how to recreate this super saturated art style in other engines. Well, here you see same environment, and in this particular case, the inside lighting works a lot better for the particular temple. But you're seeing you're getting a ton of content here. It's a very consistent low poly style. But let's go check out the overview so you get an idea of just what all the components are that make up these levels, because they're actually pretty massive. The shaders compile. Oh, I guess they are compiled. All right, let's go take a look around all the stuff that you're getting in here. So plates and statues and ladders and just a ton. So over here you got all the various different building pieces that go together to create everything. A lot of decorations, curtains, got a variety of helmets, etc. So these packs are just absolutely massive. That's the main Polygon stuff. Now there is another aspect to this. As I said, there's the mini stuff. So here we are back in the Unity game engine looking at the mini city, and you get an idea of the kind of content that it is. Again, a little bit lower poly, or a lot lower polygon to be honest, but the same sort of consistent Synty art style. You see another example here with hexagonal style tiles, how you could use it in like a builder style game here. Again, everything is available as prefabs that you can just drop in. So if you need a building, for example, literally just drag and drop it into your scene like so. Super easy to work with. And yeah, that's kind of the end of the hands-on portion at least. There's just an absolute ton in this actual bundle. Let's go back, look at the overview. So again, it's organized into tiers. Higher dollar value tier, you get all the other stuff. At the $25 tier, I'm just going to cover it as one tier here. You're getting the Ancient Empire that we just checked out, as well as the Sci-Fi Space Pack, a $10 discount coupon for the Synty store, the Farm Pack, the Office Pack, the City Zombie Pack, the Town Pack, the Polygon Mini Fantasy Characters Pack, City Characters Pack, the Polygon Fantasy Character Pack, the Icons Pack, the Nightclubs, which we also saw in action earlier on, the City Character Pack, Fantasy Rivals, Mini Fantasy Pack, the Prototyping Pack, the Mini City Pack, which we just saw a second ago, Spy Kit, Explore Kit, and Snow Kit. You may be wondering exactly how this works. Each one is a redemption code, so you get one tier redemption code. So you get like a tier 3 redemption code for the Synty store. Once it is redeemed, basically you can go there and download your stuff as many times as you want. So for example, if you want to go ahead and grab the Ancient Empire pack, you can do so. And you see here you get the source files, and then you also get a Unity package and an Unreal Engine project available in this particular case. Now the cool thing here is they're actually, if I go check this one out from a previous version, you're actually going to see they're actually starting to do Godot projects. This is kind of a bit of an experiment. Be interested to see if they continue to do that and start packaging their stuff up for Godot. But yeah, that's how it works. Basically a bunch of downloads off of the Synty asset store. They do updates to these on the store, so you're not getting them on the Epic Games store or on the Unity asset store. They're all available on the Synty store, but they do seem to continually get updates. So that's how it works. I, again, always have been a big fan of the Synty art style. The downside, obviously, is if you use Synty and other people use Synty, you're going to have a very consistent look to it. But if you're looking for, especially for like programmer art, stand-in art, this is kind of some really high-quality things and quite a solid deal, in my opinion. Again, anything marked here as a sizzler, so this guy right here, this guy right here, and then this guy right here are brand new. So you shouldn't own those already, but a lot of the other stuff will have been featured in previous Humble Bundles, so do make sure to check out that you don't already own what you might be interested in. But let me know what you think of this bundle of Synty assets and all of that in the comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.